Welcome to the channel. What if your to-dos, calendar events, and AI assistant all lived in one sleek workspace? Meet Akiflow, the ultimate productivity hub that simplifies time blocking, task capture, and seamless scheduling. Let's jump into the tool. So you probably have a ton of tasks, and in this day and age, we have to go to this meeting, we have this event, we have this place to go to, and then we have tons of stuff on our calendar, and you forget something, or you have that OCD and just running around trying to figure out what exactly to do or how to do it. And you want to streamline all your processes. So you miss that Slack notification, and you miss that meeting, or you don't see that email, or what's going on. There's so many different things, especially having a phone and having so many different notifications go off. It's hard to keep track of all those tasks, especially for people who are in the tech world, or even if you're not, you probably have a stacked calendar, or you have a lot of different events. You don't want to miss that. What if I told you there's an AI assistant that can help you? So instead of getting those expensive VAs, instead of trying to juggle all those tasks or figure it out, you can save hours, save time, and make sure that it's all done with your AI assistant here. And that is Akiflow.
Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YTRanker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytranker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
Now, how does it work? We can see here different tasks. Now, let's get out the chaos. What happens when we have so many tasks? Oh, we're running here, we're running there. We don't know what to do. We're kind of confused. We're asking different people, did I have this meeting here? When was it there? And this is trusted by founders. If you have a software company, if you started a new SMMA, or you have a new agency, this is trusted by people who started those to help streamline their processors. And even if you don't, even if you're just a manager, this is great also for analysts or anyone who just wants to streamline their process. And here we can see GitHub, Epic, Zapier, Airtable. It integrates with all the most important apps as well. And that's a big thing. If you don't streamline your productivity, you get less done. And let's face it, there's so many things today to do. We want everything to be easy. Oh, okay, I have my meeting right here. I got my time blocking. I have my meeting book assistant, and then I have my sync engine. So how it'll work is you get all your tasks and events while you're having your morning coffee, you get all your native integrations. So, okay, I got that Slack. I got that Google Meet. Then I can block out time when I need to. And I even get my meeting booking assistant. Imagine your AI is doing all your booking. You don't need to check in VA or secretary. And that's the ultimate system for getting your life together. And I'm telling you, especially for someone myself or maybe yourself, when you have a million different tasks, this is helpful. So this is your AI assistant. Plans your day, clears your calendar, gives you real-time nudges so you don't get that overload. And we've all been there. Get drag and drop tasks, put it right into your calendar. You can auto import. And the best thing is you get 3,000 plus tools. So Gmail, Slack, Notion, ClickUp, Trello, GitHub. It's all in one place. And you get daily planning, you get shortcuts, focus timer, and calendar view. I think this is going to be the best. And if you need AI self-organization, this is here. A lot of people use AI, for LLMs to answer questions, or maybe to generate music or videos or images. But have you ever thought, I could use my AI assistant not just for manual tasks, but to streamline my tasks. And that's where AI self-organization comes into focus. We also have the focus timer and rituals so you can lock in, do your deep work, block out some time. Let's face it, if you don't get a little bit of time to meditate, to relax, to figure out where everything's going, things get jumbled together. And then also have the stats and dashboards so you can see what's going on. Inbox, zero streaks, time spent, productivity trends. Maybe you're spending way too much time on a task, and you can even work offline. You get meeting links. You can share your availability, book one-off recurring ones, and even rituals. Project folders are all streamlined. You get your tasks, shortcuts. And if you have multiple businesses or agencies, I know a lot of people are trying to do a million things nowadays. We have the e-commerce store, the YouTube channel. We have, 6 different meetings. We're doing this, that, and the other. You got your team calendars. You're going crazy. Oh boy, let's not do that. Let's make sure that we have it all in one place. So we can see the stats here, the project, personal, work, finance, reading, it's all there. And if you're still planning like it's the pre-AI era, if you're still like, okay, I'm going to manually block tasks, I'm going to do all this stuff, I would ask why? Why are you doing the extra work? This is your old setup. And this used to be my setup. Give you a little bit of background. I would open up like 2 Trellos, look through videos, and then I would check my Slack notifications in another tab. Oh, I missed something in Slack. Oh, it's 3 hours. And then someone messaged me. Then I check if I have Notion, and then I have my Gmail, and then checking my email. How about this? You have everything going on in your Gmail. So you take care of that. You get your Slack notifications, and all your meetings are good to go. Smart tasks already. You got your time blocking, automated workflows ready to rock, and you got overload detection. So you're not going crazy and capturing the task. And look, even people are saying, engineers who have done this is the only app that broke my long habit of handwriting, tasks, deadlines, all that. It can get things done on steroids and manages the to-do items. I've used Asana, ClickUp, Notion, all those tools. This is the best right now. And that's coming from a developer. And I've been there too. I've been using all those. So who is this for? Well, I'd say it's for everybody who has a bunch of tasks they want to handle, but founders, if you've founded a new company or you're a new agency, SaaS or something like that. If you're a developer and you're working on coding or low code, no code, or you're even using AI to develop. If you're in sales, you want to focus on closing. You don't want to focus on missing meetings or what's going on. You don't want to focus on, not having access to different tools that you need. If you're marketing, you want to have this as well. Make sure to manage your task. And even designers, build things fast. Make sure that you're good to go. And I think the most important thing is to have the AI executive assistant that goes beyond human limits. Your imagination really is the limit here. What do you want to do? But you do need to, as they say, lock in with the focus timer. They also have a very cool UI, level up, and some great integrations with mobile widgets to make a happier experience. Say hello to time slots, and you can try it for free. And users who do, what happens? What is the result? They save up to 2 hours a day. Now you might say, 2 hours a day? Well, that's not much. That's like 1 or 2 meetings. Yes. But think about it like this. You save 2 hours a day. And let's say you're working 5 days a week, just on average. So you're saving 10 hours a week. And then you just go over the year. That is 3,600 hours saved over a year, roughly. So this is why I think Akiflow is really, really powerful. You want to use an AI to manage all these things, to take some time off, to also focus on the tasks you need, and to streamline all the tools. This is why this is really powerful. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.